I don't know if I should be doing this, guys, or not, but hey, we're gonna get ready to hook up our two 200 amp services here. And if I told you I wasn't scared, I'd be lying, because I'm a little scared. Now everything's de-energized on the bottom half of the box, so we should be perfectly fine. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to start here. And my son's got a stick here. If I start getting electrocuted, he knows how to kick me off there. So stay tuned, guys. All right, here you see we're just opening the lugs up and getting them all loosened up. And then we just start coming through here and stripping all the wires back and getting them in. We got the ground wires in first, and we got all those things attached. And then the next thing we're gonna do is start bending our neutrals in and getting those things, get a service loop in there, figure out exactly where it need to be, and then cut those off, and then come back and start stripping them down. So it wasn't too bad once you kind of got the hang of stripping the wire and using our pliers. It would probably been better to have a better wire stripper, but hey, we made it work. And then you see here we're got most of the neutrals all the way done here, and the next step is to get the main lugs in. And you see the main lugs, I've got those things wire stripped there. We put some compound on there. I don't know if we really need it since they're aluminum based on here, but we went in and did it anyways. And yeah, we got the main service garage line in, and now we're figuring out the living. So we have two 200 amp services, so we got each of them independently run for the garage area and then also the house area together. And then so we get all that thing cut back and got it all ready to go to put it in here. And again, those wires are difficult to bend while you're trying to put them in, and I did pretty good. It wasn't too bad. Probably got a little bit more slack than what I want in here, but we got it all done and we got it all closed up right here. Well guys, I didn't die, so hey, we got this thing all hooked up. Let me show you guys what we do. I'm gonna go ahead and get another socket wrench to tighten this thing down. We do have our service loops in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is a lot of sunshade coming in from this one side, but no, it's looking pretty good. It's a lot of wires. What we're gonna do is come in and mark each of these lugs, showing that we tighten them down. We'll get that done here in a second, but hey, we survived and we got it done. I appreciate it, guys. Until next time, God bless y'all.